Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you, I was taking a look at your drafts and you have some wonderful ideas. They're really strong. The thing is, in literary analysis, structure matters, order matters. The way in which we tightly control our writing really matters. And while you have good ideas right now, without that structure, without that organization, without that control, it's going to fall apart in literary analysis. So, what I'm going to tell you is this: I really think you need to use your graphic organizer. Let me show you why. See, the graphic organizer down here is designed to make sure that you not only have all the information, but that you have it in the right order, even sometimes with transitions to help guide your reader through. This really helps to make sure that your organization is tight, your order is under control, and you have all of the power when it comes to organizing your work. So I'm going to ask you to use your graphic organizer here. Read what it tells you to do in the green box, do it in the yellow box. Read what it tells you to do in the green box, do it in the yellow box. Green box, yellow box, green box, yellow box, and so on. And there's a really cool added bonus that you're going to be so happy about. Let me show you. Once you go ahead and add all of your work in for all those boxes, you know what the really cool thing is? Your paragraph just writes itself. Copy paste all the yellow boxes in order. Watch. Boom. There you go. Your paragraph wrote itself. Not only is it tightly organized and controlled, but hey, also, you actually have the whole thing finished right here. So, go back into your graphic organizer, fill out all the yellow boxes, copy paste them in order so that your work, which is good, is tightly organized, controlled, and you have all the power over. Good luck. You got this.